Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget for your international education with Chase detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your total educational expenses. This includes tuition fees, accommodation, and living costs. Research the cost of living in your chosen country. Factor in currency exchange rates that may affect your budget. Create a detailed list of all potential expenses you might incur. Include textbooks, travel costs, and health insurance in your calculations. Next, explore funding options available for your international education. Look into scholarships that cater to your field of study. Investigate grants and financial aid programs offered by your school. Consider student loans specifically designed for international students. Once funding options are identified, assess your current financial situation. Calculate your income, including any part-time work or savings. Determine how much of your income can be allocated toward education expenses. Set a realistic monthly budget based on your findings. Break down your budget into categories like tuition, housing, and daily living. Utilize budgeting tools and apps to help you manage your finances. Chase offers several resources to assist students with budgeting. Explore their budgeting calculator to visualize your cash flow. Set up a separate savings account for your education expenses. Automatically transfer a percentage of your income into this savings account. Create a timeline for when payments for tuition and other expenses are due. Stick to your budget by tracking your spending regularly. Review your financial situation periodically to adjust your budget as needed. If you're exceeding your budget, identify areas where you can cut costs. Consider finding a roommate to share living expenses. Explore options for used or digital textbooks to save on academic costs. Look for student discounts and local deals to minimize daily expenses. Plan to use public transportation or bike to save on travel costs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.